Very nice, light yaki, relaxed type texture, very pretty. Again, no glue, no nothing, no slippage, no nothing. All right, y'all, so we're back today with another hair video. Shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So this unit is a new unit that they have on the market. This is their bye-bye slip wig. So this cap construction is a bit different. They do have a different adjustable strap situation in this unit that makes this unit very secure. Now there is a drawstring in the back of this unit, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and adjust that. But the star of the show with this unit is that bye-bye slip. Now with this one, it's kind of like the shape of a bra, like a bra strap, but it's very thin. One thing I do like about this new little strap is that it is definitely not bothersome on the back of your nape, and it's also very small as well too, so it doesn't bother you at all. Now with this one, you can adjust this, and you can also go ahead and adjust the drawstring in the back, and this wig will give you extra security, guys. So when I mean bye-bye slip wig, I mean the wig is not gonna fall or slide back off your head. And you guys can see me pulling this one, and it's not gonna slide back. Obviously this is a glueless wig, guys. It's 100% glueless, so all you're gonna do is just plop it on. So in today's video, it's the same day install, guys, so you already know how it goes. We're gonna go ahead and style this unit up. This is a 7x5 closured unit, guys. As you guys can see, the parting space is pretty good on this unit. It goes from right about here to here, which is perfect. This unit did come pre-plucked, guys. It also came pre-cut, so I did not cut this unit whatsoever, do anything to it. It also came, you know, bleached and everything. The only thing that I did do before putting this on my head today was spraying the inner part of this unit with my tinting spray so that it can match my scalp. So what I'm gonna do today is go ahead and straighten this out for you guys. It is a yaki texture, and you guys already know fall time is slowly approaching, so I wanted to go with a nice kind of straight yaki look. This unit is 24 inches long, and it is a natural density, as you guys can see. So all we're gonna do is just go ahead and do like a little bit of styling, but I wanna come up close and show you guys the hairline. Really nice, guys. They did a good job, and again, it comes pre-cut and already pre-fixed up with all the fixings, so I don't have to do that much with it. This is a nice unit. It came in a middle part style, so I'm gonna go ahead and define that middle part style, but you can go ahead and do some free parting on this unit. So you can go ahead and do a side part, you can go ahead and curl the hair, crimp it, do any type of different styles with it. So I'm gonna attempt to do like a different style today so I can show you guys options, but we're gonna start off with the middle part look because we always got to do a middle part look. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this unit with some heat protecting spray so that we can go ahead and get this to look really nice. Again, this is a same day install per usual, so we're gonna do everything straight out the box. And again, the only thing I did with this unit that you didn't see was me spraying the inner part. I do recommend you go ahead and get a tinting spray so that you can make sure it matches your color to the T. So you guys can see she's looking good. So we're gonna do a couple fixings. I don't think I'm gonna do any baby hairs just because I feel like this texture doesn't need all that, and I feel like, you know, it's just gonna give scalp and prettiness. So we're gonna keep it simple for style number one. So let me know what you guys think about this texture. Is it giving fall time? Is this texture giving what it needs to give? I feel like I have not done a straight unit in a long time, and that's just because I've been in love with like glam look, a nice Farrah Fawcett look. That's like my signature. But I'm happy to get back into the straight look because, baby, this little yaki straight one right here, so far, so cute, right? Y'all, so this is what it looks like, nice and straight, and I did it like, you know, nothing too crazy. Obviously you guys can still see the texture of the hair. Very nice, light yaki, relaxed type texture, very pretty. And obviously you guys see I didn't do baby hairs, but if you want to go ahead and do like the little wings in the front right here to give that little baby hairstyle, you can, but I figured because the hair is so pretty that I wouldn't do all that. So this is what it's giving, very nice and light. And again, this unit is a bye-bye slip wig. So again, no glue, no nothing, no slippage, no nothing. So it's very secure. and very, very nice, guys. Again, I really like the fact that this one already came pre-done up, so I didn't have to cut it, I didn't have to tweeze it, I didn't have to do none of that kind of stuff. So it already comes really, really nice in the front area, so you don't have to do all that extra work to get it to look realistic. It already looks very realistic. But again, I would recommend that you go ahead and spray that inner cap with some tinting spray so that you can get your perfect skin tone match. So this is what it's giving. I think that I'm gonna go ahead and do a different style for you guys because I want to show you guys what the cap construction is like. So with this 7x5, like I said before, you can go ahead and do a side part. You can do a little half up, half down situation. What do you guys think about the straight look? Is she giving or not? Let me know. So I absolutely love this unit, guys. This cap construction from Unice Hair Company is actually one of the best cap constructions that they actually have to offer. This new bye-bye slip wig is absolutely secure. When I tell you guys that it is not only 100% glueless, it is also 100% slip free. Now when I tell you guys this unit ain't going nowhere, now for my girls out there that love getting on roller coaster rides, you don't want to be that person getting caught on camera with your wig sliding off. This unit is not going to give that effect. You're going to look fabulous getting on that ride and getting off that ride. And I already told you guys, I've had issues in the summertime when I'm going on trips and my wigs, even without wearing makeup or adhering the wig down, with just like the sweat and condensation, the units tend to slide back. But with this one, I guarantee you it ain't going nowhere. So I absolutely love this, guys. I do love this texture of this hair as well too. You guys know we're dipping into fall season, so this is the perfect straight texture. The unit is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Very, very pretty. And also, number one, very, very secure. So today's video is the same day install, guys, straight to the point. And you guys already seen I use minimal products to install this unit and make it look fabulous. So you guys can see I'm eating this look up, baby. Very, very glamorous, very, very pretty, and also very, very simple. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, including a coupon code if you want to go ahead and purchase this unit. This unit is actually getting so much attention right now on Unice Hair Company's website. A lot of people just love this cap construction. I can see why, because again, simple, cute, effortless, glueless, and secure. So I'll leave all the links down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this baby right here from Unice Hair Company. Also go down below and check the link for the other units that they offer, different textures with the same cap construction. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one.